Did you know you can lose up to 90% of your liver function before obvious symptoms even appear? That's why liver disease is often called a silent killer. The early signs are subtle, easy to dismiss, and often mistaken for something else. But if you catch them early, you can protect your liver before it's too late. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 uncommon warning signs of liver damage that most people ignore. These are signals your body sends out when your liver is under stress. Don't overlook them. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our health-boosting tips here on Healthy Living Guide. 1. Fullness or pressure on the right side of the stomach. One of the first subtle signs of liver trouble is a feeling of fullness or tightness under the right rib cage. This happens when the liver becomes inflamed or swollen and starts pressing against surrounding nerves and muscles. Sometimes, the discomfort even radiates to the right shoulder. Many people mistake this for a strained muscle, indigestion, or simple bloating. But in reality, it can be your liver's way of crying for help. 2. Poor stamina and low energy. Not all fatigue feels like outright exhaustion. For some, everyday tasks, like climbing stairs, grocery shopping, or even standing for long periods, suddenly start draining energy. That's because your liver is responsible for processing nutrients and converting food into usable energy. When it slows down or gets overwhelmed, your stamina drops, even if you're eating and sleeping well. If you constantly feel like your energy is slipping away, your liver could be part of the problem. 3. Unexplained itching, especially on the feet. Here's a surprising one: persistent itching. When the liver isn't moving bile effectively, bile salts build up in the bloodstream and eventually deposit into the skin. This often shows up as itching, particularly on the soles of the feet, and it tends to worsen at night. Lotions and antihistamines won't fix it because the cause isn't skin deep. It's internal. If you're struggling with unexplained, stubborn itching, it could be a hidden sign of liver stress. 4. Spider veins and red spots on the skin. Another overlooked clue is the appearance of tiny red, web-like veins on the upper body, known as spider angiomas. These happen when the liver can't properly regulate hormones, causing estrogen levels to rise. In men, this same imbalance can even lead to breast tissue growth, known as gynecomastia. While most people dismiss spider veins as cosmetic, they're actually a warning signal that your liver is struggling to keep hormones in balance. 5. Low vitamin D levels. Lastly, let's talk about vitamin D. The liver is responsible for activating vitamin D so your body can use it. When liver function declines, vitamin D stays inactive, leading to weak immunity, muscle weakness, inflammation, and bone problems. Many people blame low vitamin D on aging or lack of sunlight, but if supplements aren't improving your levels, the real culprit could be your liver. So there you have it, 5 uncommon signs of liver damage that are often missed. Remember, your liver rarely shouts when it's in trouble, it whispers. Paying attention to these early signals could save you from serious health issues down the road. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or family, and let us know in the comments what health topics you'd like us to cover next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Living Guide and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health insights. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.